What is Kubernetes and why is it important for cloud apps? If you've ever wondered how apps like Netflix or Google scale to handle millions of users seamlessly, Kubernetes is the answer. Let's break it down. What is Kubernetes? Kubernetes is an open source platform used to automate the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. Imagine containers as lightweight packages that bundle an app and everything it needs to run, like code, libraries, and settings. This makes it easy to run anywhere, whether on premises or in the cloud. How Kubernetes works. Kubernetes organizes containers into a cluster, which consists of a control plane and worker nodes. The control plane acts as the brain of the cluster, overseeing operations, scheduling workloads, and managing networking. Worker nodes host pods, which are the smallest deployable units in Kubernetes, and each pod can contain one or more containers. Why Kubernetes is important for cloud apps. Automatic scaling. Kubernetes adjusts the number of containers based on real-time traffic. For instance, if your e-commerce app gets a surge during the holidays, Kubernetes will spin up new containers to handle the extra traffic. High availability. If any part of the infrastructure fails, Kubernetes automatically replaces failed containers, ensuring your app stays online with minimal downtime. Cost efficiency. Kubernetes can automatically scale your app by adding more pods across different machines, distributing traffic efficiently, and even replacing failed containers with new ones. Cloud agnostic. It works across all major cloud providers, making it easy to move apps between environments without being locked into one platform. The flexibility of Kubernetes. Kubernetes running microservices with CI/CD pipelines. Instead of having one big app, Kubernetes allows you to split your app into smaller. This speeds up development cycles, making your app more agile. Visit our website now at AccuWeb.Cloud for top cloud hosting solutions. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates.